Is he crying?
Daniel Escalante couldn't believe his eyes when his wife surprised him with an over-the-top present for his 50th birthday.
Around.
Oh, yeah, that's my card. Just dump it out like a purse, because obviously it looks like that's where it came from.
While at a restaurant with their family, he opened a box with a key inside. The father of three pressed the button and saw the lights from a brand new truck flash in the parking lot.
So I can see the car.
He was overcome with emotion seeing the heartwarming gift, since he's wanted a new truck for a long time. Daniel and Socorra have been together since 7th grade and have been married for 28 years. Bet he's got some big shoes to fill for his wife's next birthday.
Is he crying?
Oh, yeah.